an easy dinner. I am making the sausage bake. I've shown you guys this recipe many times. First I got so scared because I'm like, I don't see a pan. Oh yeah, getting 10K steps at least is a non-negotiable. Welcome back for another video, but first let's start this video off with a prayer. And today's prayer is, dear God, there are no words that can describe how grateful I am for you and all your good deeds. You have been more than good to me and all my loved ones. I thank you for your grace and mercy. I thank you for your steady and faithful presence. I thank you for never forsaking me and leaving me alone. You give so much even when we give so little. We fall short of your glory time after time, and still you choose to bless us tremendously. I pray that my actions will show you even an inch of gratitude that I feel towards you. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. So I pray that prayer blesses you guys today. I went ahead and figured, I'm like, let me go ahead and start a vlog. I wasn't even planning on filming today, but I figured I'd film an evening vlog. I just finished picking the kids up from school, and now I have to go cook dinner. So I'm making an easy dinner. I am making the sausage bake. I've shown you guys this recipe many times. It's not really a recipe. You cut up a bunch of kielbasa sausage. You add some peppers, onions, potatoes, and what else? Green beans. Sometimes I switch it up and do like broccoli, depends. And then I add a little drizzle of olive oil, some seasoning, and bake it in the oven on 400 degrees for like 40 minutes. It all depends how much food you have in the pan. Now I think I might even use an aluminum pan if I still have one, just so I can save on the dishes. But that is the plan. I'm going to be serving that with some rice. But I figured I'd go ahead and open up the vlog. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I am so happy you're here and you clicked on this video today. So let's go ahead and start the vlog. I want to give a huge shout out to Motive 8 for sponsoring today's video. So I've been adding a couple of things to my wellness routine lately, and y'all, this brand right here, Motive 8 Performance, has seriously been leveling me up. They sent me their Burn pre-workout in greens, plus this cute little shaker cup. I've been using the Burn on early mornings, whether I'm working out or just trying to get stuff done, and it gives me that clean, focused energy without the jitters or crash. This is one of the only pre-workouts I've tried that doesn't leave me feeling shaky. The cherry lemonade flavor, so good. And it's not just for gym days either. It's been giving me that push when I need it. Greens have been part of my daily routine too. They're packed with nutrients, good for digestion, gut health, and honestly, they taste way better than I actually expected. No grit, no weird texture. The tangerine flavor is super smooth. Motive is a women-owned, vegan, gluten-free brand. Everything is made in the U.S., third-party tested, and GMP certified, so you know it's high quality. Motive made a special 20% off discount just for y'all. Click the link in my description and use code SimplyYesenia20 to grab yours. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I got you. And again, thank you so much, Motive, for sponsoring today's video. Lighting a candle always sets the mood. Just something about it makes the whole space feel calmer. It's my little way of saying, okay, the day is done and time to chill. At first I got so scared because I'm like, I don't see a pan. Oh no, I'm gonna have to use the actual dish. We get these from Sam's Club. Like, we buy the medium size, like the one that's like half this size, and then the large one because they come in very handy, especially when you don't want to wash dishes, or if like when we go to small group, I'm making some dishes easier. I don't have to worry about bringing the dish back. And I thought we were low. I mean, we are getting low, so that just lets me know I need to get some more because I don't want to not have it. I have Devin cutting. He's right here. He's cutting the green beans for me because they have that little end piece. So he's rinsed it off, cut it for me so we can save on time. I went ahead and put the oven on 425 instead of 400 just so we can move this thing along. So I'm gonna chop this up, chop everything up, put it all together. Chopping up veggies and sausage for a quick dinner. It's one of those little routines that just feels good. Nothing fancy, just something warm and filling after a long day. I've got music playing in the background. The candle's still going and it's quiet, it's slow. And honestly, this is my kind of peace. So I added the bell peppers, all three colors, orange, yellow, and red. 2 things of onions. One was small, one was like halfway that I needed to use up. A 3-pound bag of potatoes, 2 packs of kielbasa. I could literally use 3, but that's what I had in my fridge. So I'm going to drizzle some olive oil. I love using grasa. Absolutely amazing olive oil. And I sprinkle generously. I just drizzle generously, and sometimes I switch through seasons. I don't always use the same ones. Today we're going to use the adobo by the with complete seasoning. Okay, and then this time I'm going to use, I haven't used this one in a while. It's still good. Yeah, I got another year on this. I got this from, was it TJ Maxx for $3.99. I love these seasonings. This one is the roasted garlic and red bell pepper. Smell it a little bit. Okay, yeah, it smells really good. I'm not gonna add the green beans right away because if they cook too quickly and then it'll be like just nothing, turn into nothing basically, to mush in the oven. So I'm gonna cook this stuff up first, and then halfway through I think I'll go ahead and add the green beans in there. I'm making sure I mix this well and cut up the onions, like break them up. Once I get this in the oven, I go ahead and start on the rice. I can just easily do white rice in the rice cooker. If I just needed an easy weeknight meal. Sometimes our life is so chaotic and hectic. Every single day this week, after school, we have to go somewhere. You know, it's that end of the school year. So I just added some more of this and a little bit more of this one, not too much. Very easy to do. Many of you already told me that you've tried it out and that you love it. So you can do different variations. Last time I didn't do bell pepper. Sometimes I don't do bell peppers. I'll just go ahead and do the onions and green beans. But I wanted an even more well-rounded meal, and I also wanted to do double so I don't cook tomorrow, because we have an award ceremony to go to, and I think this should be good. Okay, so I got it on 425. Hopefully this cooks within 30 minutes. We'll see. Okay. So I try to clean as I go, mostly so future me doesn't have to deal with a disaster later. Doing dishes right after dinner isn't the most thrilling part of the evening, but hey, warm water, clean counters, and pretending I'm in a chill little kitchen montage, I'll take it. It's not glamorous, but it keeps the chaos under control, and I honestly feel a little too proud every time I wake up to a clean sink, and my future me will thank me later. Normally I would have already finished with dinner. I'm normally done before my kids even come home, but I was running behind today. I was cleaning, I was doing laundry, and then I had to go pick up my kids. So they come home starving and they are hungry. But in the meantime, like, get a snack, go take a shower, because a big rule for me, you guys, they have to take a shower when they come home. Like, all the school clothes, take them off, go take a shower, and you can relax. You could be in your pajamas, because I look forward to either being out in the street to take a shower and put pajamas on or something more comfortable. So so while they were doing that, I was able to get dinner done. But they were, every day they're starving. So I have dinner already in the containers. This is my bowl. The kids already ate, but John just got home, so I'll eat dinner with him. But this is my bowl. So happy that we have enough leftovers. All right, friends, so I pretty much cleaned the kitchen. I put the food away and everything. John is still eating dinner. I just had dinner, but I just checked my steps, and I'm only at 7,800 steps. So yeah, getting 10K steps at least is a non-negotiable for me. So I'm about to go on a walk. John has already surpassed me today. It's kind of like a competition I have. They don't know it's a competition, but here it's a competition. So I'm about to go on a walk. I got my weighted vest on. Today, this one is the 8-pound vest. I don't want to do the 12 because I already worked out today. My arms are still sore from the past few workouts I've been doing. I could barely lift my arms. It's a good kind of sore, but I'm pretty sore. So, and I want to be able to work out tomorrow and not have to miss a workout because my body hurts so bad. So, what time is it? 6:32. It was 88 degrees today. I was hoping the weather would go down, but I just checked and it's 83, I think. Yeah, it's 83 degrees. So the sun is not shining. It's pretty cloudy. So hopefully I could get through this walk. I think I should be able to close my rings out in 30 minutes maybe. I've been trying to get outside in the evenings more. Just a little walk to clear my head and unwind. Nothing crazy. Just a little slow stroll. Some fresh air and a break from screens and stuff. And it's one of those things that sounds small but really helps me reset. I don't always have a plan or a route. I just walk, breathe, let the day kind of fade. And I really enjoy them. I look forward to them every single day. I like to keep things simple when it comes to self-care. Just a few products I actually enjoy using that makes me feel good. Lighting a candle in the bathroom sets the mood, even if it's just a regular weeknight. It's my way of turning a basic routine into something a little bit more relaxing. Nothing fancy, just a little time for myself. Show you guys the steps for today. See, it says right there 12,000 steps. Closed out all of my rings, did over 5 miles today total with movement around the house, the workout that I did earlier and stuff like that. So I'm proud of me. I actually could have kept on walking because I got really into listening to my book and I didn't want to stop, but it was getting late, so time to take a shower. I love this. I always take my workout clothes out the night before. I love doing it. I love putting workout colors together. I hope that makes sense. Workout clothes colors together. So tomorrow we're doing some shorts, biker shorts. These two together for tomorrow. Because I know I'm going to work out. So just have it ready for the next day. So when I get up in the morning, I put it on. No excuses. At night, I like to slow everything down. I put on my night cream, get my side of the bed cozy with a heating pad. Y'all, my heating pad at night is a must. I need to turn that thing on. And then I pull out my Bible and my journal. It's not about being perfect or having it all together. It's just about ending the day with a little peace. I've been thinking a lot about Proverbs 31 lately, how she's strong, steady, and full of quiet confidence. The part that always sticks with me is that she laughs without fear of the future. That's the energy I want to carry even on regular quiet nights like this. Just me, my thoughts, and a little time with God before bed. Nothing big, but it fills my soul. So if you're watching this tonight, I hope you find a moment to rest too. May your space feel peaceful. May your heart feel light. And may you be reminded that you're never walking through life alone. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in the next one, y'all. Bye, guys.